It's about the recently happened water leakage in 101 area. This has happened actually, well uh, inside the NHIDCL constructed road, newly constructed road, and the leakage was well inside the new constructed NHIDCL road, and it was very difficult to excavate the to the point where the pipe is laid. So therefore, the department has no other option but to go for a alternative line, and department has gone for the alternative line around stretches of 300 meters. New line has been created, pipes have been laid, for which it has taken some time, I think 8 days altogether till today. It is 8 days today, so therefore it has taken some time because new line has to be created, because the earlier line which was broken and water was leakage inside could not be repaired at all because of the NHITCL work. This has happened, you know, at the same time when PHE department is realigning the pipes because of the highway construction by NHITCL. So fortunately, we have taken some NOCs and some permissions whichever was required for laying the pipes all alongside the road. Otherwise, it would have taken so long. So I understand people have suffered a lot. I would assure people that PHE department has taken a lots of pain. Whole night officers were camping there, doing the work. They have not slept well till last 1 week, and they have been doing the work. So now uh, everything is restored, everything is completed, all the works are completed, and we are hoping to release the water gradually after some time from today evening. But full volume of water will be released by tomorrow. Government to constitute an inquiry, government at the government level for inquiry, and act accordingly. Now we are releasing partially because the anchoring, we call it anchoring, in the band pipes, anchoring needs to be cured. So anchoring curing will take almost 12 hours. So therefore, we cannot release full amount of water. We are releasing partially so that uh, localities get some portion of water. The cause of the leakage, as I said, was because of the road construction. The rod were constructed above the pipe laid, where pipe were laid, and that pipe could not be excavated because it is well inside the NHIDCL constructed road. Probably while constructing the road, they might have touched the pipes there, and because of which the pipe have broken. And this NHIDCL, is provoking most of the time in somewhere else, some portion of the works. So our officers are on the job, and time and again they are meeting and they are clearing whatever doubts are there. So this portion was left, and realignment was happening. So because of that, it has happened. It has caused some serious communication gap between the thing NHIDCL. It has to be, NHIDCL should have taken strong measures, and they should have informed PHE department before laying all these constructed roads. This we are trying to request the government, from the government level, inquiry should be conducted, and action should be taken as per the inquiry report.